Hey everybody, today I've got a 2018 F150 and I'm going to show you how to deactivate the electric parking brake to do the rear brakes on this truck. So you want to have the key off, and this is where we're going to start. Gas pedal all the way to the floor. Then you're going to take the parking brake switch and you're going to push it into the off position. Now hold both of these down, and now you're going to turn the ignition on, then off, and then back on. And now the brake light will start flashing and it says park brake maintenance mode. So you continue to hold for a couple seconds, make sure that they're retracted, and then you can let off, cut the key off, go to your brake job. And now to reactivate them, you want to get back in the car first, and you want to go ahead and pump your brake pedal up to get your calipers back to where they're supposed to be. And you're just going to do basically the same thing, except now instead of pushing the parking brake off, you're going to pull the switch on. So here we go, key is off. I'm going to go ahead and re-engage them. So gas pedal all the way to the floor, pull the parking brake on, turn the ignition on, then off, and then back on, and it will come up and say parking brake not applied. You just continue to hold the gas pedal down and the parking brake lever on, and that light will go away and you're all set. So that is how you activate and reactivate the electronic parking brake on an F150 2018 to do the rear brake job. All right, everybody, just a quick one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. You can always do that in that corner right there. Please give me a thumbs up if you like my automotive videos.